They're not allowed. If you want to jump down, you can jump down. Don't arrogant in Cambodia.
I feel you.
Over habits of my heart, I can't say no. It's ripping me apart.
So I just landed in Cambodia, but I actually haven't went to sleep yet. And I have to arrive to my hotel. I don't even know how I'm going to basically get there. I need to find a ride. Once I find a ride, we'll figure it out from there. So I'm gonna try to grab a taxi. Let's see if I can grab one for like 10 bucks or something like that. But I head to the apartment and we're gonna get started from there. So right now we're currently at, what is this place called?
Pool Party Hostel.
Pool Party Hostel. Now this is my first day in Cambodia. No, I did not intentionally stay here. The story behind it was I arrived, the Airbnb lied to me. They said it was gonna be amazing. It was on the inside, but on the outside, it looked like a trap house. Felt like I was gonna die, so I decided to walk down the road, try to get some food. I bumped into this hostel, sat down, met these beautiful German ladies or women. Here's one right here. Here's the other right here. And that's basically where we're at.
We're in Cambodia.
Oh, we in Cambodia right now.
We are in Cambodia, yeah.
Oh,
I guess we are.
Say gang gang.
Gang gang.
West side. Say it. West side. West side.
How do you do it?
West side, look. You gotta claim it. Gang gang. Yes. West side. So right now we're riding in a tuk-tuk and it is bumpy as hell. Oh shit, hold on now. Wait, they laughing and my life is in danger. This is not a joke. This is not a joke. That's how we do it in Cambodia. And then we're going to Angkor temples. Yeah, bumpy rides, but it's all good. Yeah. So we're currently on our way to these temples. It's 4:30. Look how dark it is right now. Look how pretty my face is though. But we're about to go to this temple and see the freaking sunrise. It's gonna be sick. I don't even know what the temple's called, but it's the most famous temple in freaking Cambodia. What's going on, people? Right now we're currently in Angkor Wat, which is a freaking famous temple in Cambodia. Siem Reap to be exact. It's from the 1100s, so it's over 1,000 or about 1,000 years old, this freaking temple. It's freaking absolutely amazing. So I I guess I'm like the German magnet because first there was 2, now there's 3. 3 Germans. I love it. I do got like a quarter German in me, so that's why I do believe they're like attracted to me. And they're all cute.
Ôi ban rộ xua say miền trò đấy chơi măng quân cho mày niệm xóm rạch thol ôi ban đol phiền đi phiền xôm ôi niềng ban sống có từ mùng